If you want to tag someone on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Tagging someone is a simple way to mention them in a post, reply, or thread, so they get notified and can easily see your message. This is really useful when you want to give someone credit, ask a question, start a conversation, or make sure the right person sees your post. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy social media tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open X.com or the X app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Post Composer if you want to create a new post, or open a reply if you want to tag someone in a conversation. Now here's the key step. Type the @ symbol, which looks like this, @. As soon as you type it, start entering the person's name or their username handle right after it. For example, if you wanted to mention a user named John Smith, you would begin typing something like @JohnSmith. As you type, X will automatically bring up a drop-down menu with matching accounts. This is where you need to be careful and choose the correct person, especially if there are multiple accounts with similar names. Look at the profile photo, display name, and handle in the suggestions list to make sure you select the right account. Once you see the correct one, tap or click it. X will then insert the full username for you, and that means the person has been tagged properly. After that, you can continue writing your post, add any extra text, and then publish it as normal. When your post goes live, the tagged user may receive a notification, depending on their settings and account permissions. If you're tagging someone in a reply, the process is exactly the same. Just type @, start entering their name, choose the correct suggestion from the dropdown, and finish your reply. A quick tip: if you want your tag to work correctly, don't manually type the name and leave it as plain text if X doesn't recognize it. Always select the account from the suggestion menu, because that ensures it becomes a real clickable mention. Also, make sure you spell the name closely enough for the dropdown to appear. If nothing shows up, double-check the handle or try typing a few more letters. And that's all there is to it. Tagging someone on X.com is fast, easy, and one of the simplest ways to connect with other users on the platform. If this tutorial helped, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.